A shocking incident from Patharapalli village under the Kabi Surjanagar police limits in Ganjam has left the community stunned. A minor boy has been accused of beating an elderly neighbor to death following a heated dispute over a mongoose entering a home and eating chicken. What began as a simple argument soon spiraled into a violent confrontation between the two neighboring families. According to reports, tensions escalated rapidly when the elderly man confronted the neighbor about the mongoose repeatedly causing damage. Amid the quarrel, the minor allegedly picked up a stick and struck the elderly man inside the house, inflicting fatal injuries. Villagers were left horrified by the sudden and brutal nature of the attack. Before anyone could intervene, the accused minor fled the scene. Police at Kabi Surjanagar have launched an intensive investigation and are working to trace the boy. Officers have started examining witness statements and the circumstances leading to the fatal assault. The tragic incident stands as a stark reminder of how small disputes can erupt into deadly violence, leaving an entire village in disbelief.
आम अजा से चिकेन टे नहीं आसते नेहुल गोटे रखी से नेहुल आसी चिकेन लस्ट करदेला आम अजा कहले तुम नेहुल को तुम बांधि रख आम घर आसी आम सामान लस्ट कर कहवा सकाशे से नेहुल बांधि थे से आम अजा गोटे बाड़ी फोपाड़ी देले से नेहुल देह बाजिगला से पिला आसिक रागे आम अजा को हाणी घर भर बसिक से आम पड़िशार घर पिला आम अजा पड़िशार घर पिला सी आसिक आज रागे हाणी